Both humankind, cars, and other locomotives will really find it difficult to use some roads and streets in the nation India. For this public pathway shall turn into a part of great waters that cannot be that easily ascertained, sinking to disappearance into these pools of water some sample victims of cars and other locomotives that shall venture to pass through the flooding waters. So therefore, digging trenches around the corners of these roads and streets shall be the superior answer to the solution or melody to this malady. May the Lord help them.